Overdrafting Woodforest bank account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can overdraft Woodforest bank account. Well, first of all, we will talk about what actually is overdrafting. Well, overdrafting means whenever the balance of your bank account is ended, you can actually get some extra money from your bank account, which makes your balance in negative. And getting that balance is actually called as overdrafting. You can get the overdraft once your funds are finished on your bank account. Whenever your funds are finished, you get or withdraw money. The money that goes in negative will be your overdraft. However, every bank has its own, overdrafting charges or overdrafting interest. So what you have to do is you just have to search for overdraft wood policy, and as you guys can see, you will be able to find the policy, including how it will charge you, how much tax you have to pay. As you guys can see, you have to pay $32 for the fee or overdraft item fee. And now you just have to go through the policy and you will get the whole idea how much you will have to pay for overdrafting. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.